Hey, Doc T here. Today we are in the process of getting ready to harvest potatoes. I'm not going to harvest them all today, but the way that I do potatoes, you can see the boards on the side. I actually, when I'm planting, I'll dig trenches down and I'll plant them about 5-6 inches down below the ground. And then I'll add a whole lot of compost to it, and then I'll put these boards on the side. And those boards go all the way around, and what they allow me to do is, as the potatoes grow, I add compost in on top of them. So I always leave, half of the plant, but I keep on throwing compost in here. And what it does is it ends up making it so that you don't have to really dig for the potatoes because they're essentially growing above what was the ground. They're growing in that compost, and look at the beautiful potatoes that we get. So this all grew out of one potato, actually even a part of a potato that I planted last spring. And you'll see that this gives them access to all kinds of nutrients. That compost is just what they need. And I've heard of people actually growing potatoes in grass clippings. I don't know if I would recommend that or not, but hey, it's worth a try. You got a potato, you got some grass clippings, but this is really loose. I can just work this whole thing with my fingers, and oh, what rich soil it builds. So that's what I got out of one potato plant. There's probably more as I start rooting around, and I've got a whole bunch more in there. So this is some people call this cage potatoes or bucket potatoes, where you grow the plant and just keep adding stuff around them. But it's a great way to grow your potatoes, to get some nice potatoes to eat. And I didn't use any chemicals, no pesticides, no insecticides. Nothing is on here except for rain and compost. Been talking to Doc T. I'll catch you later. Peace.